Lesson number 1, Introduction to Lean Six Sigma. The first question is, what the heck is Lean Six Sigma, which also stands for LSS? So Lean Six Sigma is a combination of two powerful process improvement methods. What does that mean? It means Lean is a process improvement method, and Six Sigma is also a process improvement method. So Lean Six Sigma, which is what we're studying, you guys, is a combination of two powerful process improvement methods. Okay? Now, what does that mean? Lean. Number 1, lean. Lean is all about removing or getting rid of waste, which is useless things, in order to improve efficiency. Okay? Number 2, Six Sigma is all about reducing defects, which is broken things or things that isn't perfect or have problems, in order to improve quality. So Lean Six Sigma is all about enhancing business productivity, reducing business costs, and increasing customer satisfaction. Time for the key principles of Lean Six Sigma. Number 1, customer focus. Everything, and I mean everything, should be about providing value to customers. Okay? Number 2, identifying and eliminating waste. Waste, which is useless. I can't spell useless. Useless things. Alright. Remove things that doesn't add value. If it doesn't add value, remove it, flush it down the toilet. And this is all about the lean concept. That's right. Number 3, reduce variation. Making sure things are at the highest of standard of quality, and make sure everything is consistent. This is the Six Sigma concept. Number 4, use data-driven decision making. All, and I mean all, your decisions should be based on facts, not your pretty assumptions, okay? We did not ask for your opinion. We want to know the facts. That's right. Number 5, continuous improvement. Okay, always try to improve all your processes, just like how you're trying to improve yourself right now by studying. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, here's a pro tip. Think of Lean as Lightning McQueen. That's right. Lightning freaking McQueen. He is all about speed. Speed and efficiency. And then think of Six Sigma as Luigi and Guido. They are all about quality and defect reduction. Okay, they do not play when it comes to their work. They're all about quality and perfection. So they remove defect. Defect reduction. Okay, there is no wrong in their work. That's right. That's my pro tip. Okay, guys, now it is time for our advanced challenge quiz for lesson 1. Let's go. Woo! All right, we will start with multiple choice. Choose the best answer. For number 1, what is the biggest difference between Lean and Six Sigma? Is it A, Lean improves efficiency by reducing waste, while Six Sigma improves efficiency by reducing defects? That sounds good. What about B? Lean is only used in manufacturing, while Six Sigma is used in service industries. Do you think that's correct? Or C, Lean focuses on customer satisfaction, while Six Sigma focuses only on internal processes? Okay. Or is it D, Lean and Six Sigma are different names for the same methodology? Oh, come on, guys, come on. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is A. Lean improves its efficiency by reducing waste, while Six Sigma improves efficiency by reducing defects. That's right. Now let's go for number 2. A business wants to reduce the number of damaged products that reach customers. Which method would be most effective? Okay, this sounds good. Is it A, Lean? Is it B, Six Sigma? Is it C, neither? The facts are unavoidable, guys, okay? We cannot avoid it, duh. Or is it D, both Lean and Six Sigma? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously, guys, it's B, Six Sigma. Six Sigma is all about perfection. Remember Luigi? Remember Guido? Quality and defect reduction. Guys, come on, come on, come on. You got this. Let's go to number 3. Which of the following best describes how Lean and Six Sigma complement each other? Is it A, Lean focuses on speed? Remember Lightning McQueen, speed? While Six Sigma focuses on consistency and accuracy. Ooh. Or is it B, Lean focuses on reducing defects, while Six Sigma focuses on removing waste? Or is it C, Lean makes processes more complicated, while Six Sigma makes them simpler? Is it now? Or is it D, Lean is used in production, while Six Sigma is only used for customer service? Come on, guys, this one is easy. A lot of them don't make no sense. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously, it's A. Lean focuses on speed. Remember Lightning McQueen. While Six Sigma focuses on consistency and accuracy. Don't forget Luigi and Guido. Number 4. What is the main reason companies use Lean Six Sigma? Is it A, to make employees work harder? That sounds good, isn't it? Or is it B, to reduce costs while improving quality and customer satisfaction? That sounds good too. Or is it C, to replace human workers with automation? If you guys even think it's C, I don't want to talk to you. Or is it D, to increase the amount of stock available in stores? Come on, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously, it's B. Come on now. To reduce costs while improving quality and customer satisfaction. That is the reason why companies use Lean Six Sigma. Now, number 5. Which of the following is an example of a company successfully using Lean Six Sigma? A luxury boutique finds a way to process payments faster without increasing errors. B, a store increases the number of products it stocks even if demand is low. C, a company makes its employee work longer hours without improving processes. What? Or is it D, a boutique only focuses on customer service but ignores operational efficiency? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously, it's A. A luxury boutique finds a way to process payments faster without increasing errors. Number 6. Why is Six Sigma particularly important for luxury brands? Is it A, luxury brands sell high-quality products, so reducing defects is critical? B, Six Sigma helps lower the price of luxury products. C, Six Sigma helps employees work slower and more carefully. Come on now, guys. We don't do slow. We do fast. We do speed. Remember Lightning McQueen? All right. Or is it D? Six Sigma ensures that luxury brands produce as many products as possible. Come on, guys. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously, it's A. Luxury brands sell high-quality products, so reducing defects is critical. All right, now it's time for true or false. Woo! All right, number 7. Lean focuses on eliminating waste, while Six Sigma focuses on reducing defects. Is this true or is this false? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously, it's true. Lean focuses on eliminating waste, while Six Sigma focuses on reducing defects. Number 8. Lean Six Sigma is only effective in large manufacturing companies, not in retail or service industries. Is this true or is this false? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously, it's false. Lean Six Sigma is not only effective for large manufacturing companies, it's for all type of business, whether it's small or big. All right, number 9. If a store improves its checkout process by reducing waiting time, is it applying lean principles? Is this true or is this false? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously, it's true. Number 10. Reducing defects in products improves customer satisfaction and brand reputation. Is this true or is this false? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. True. Number 11. Six Sigma helps businesses by increasing variation in their processes. Is this true or is this false? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. False. That's right. We do not increase variation, we reduce it. All right. And the last question for true or false, number 12. A boutique that eliminates unnecessary steps in its stock checking process is applying lean principles. Is this true or is this false? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. True! Woo! And that is it for our true or false quiz. Did you think we were done? Ha, I bet you did. Alright, after true or false, no more quiz. Haha. Sorry to scare you. But good job, everyone. Seriously, A plus 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 to you all. Make sure to watch the lesson 2. Not sure when I'm gonna do it, but hopefully very soon. I hope you guys like this video, and hopefully by the time you guys watch this, I'll also be creating some quizzes for you guys. I want to create like a PDF form so you guys can do it. I'll also make sure to do some quick one for free, and hopefully if you like it, you will purchase the full quiz for lesson 1 if you need more practices, yada yada yada. But anyways, guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll be creating a full playlist on YouTube all for free. But if you do want some, more in-depth and you like me, I'm also thinking on creating like full digital course. It's gonna be fun, you guys. So make sure to check the description. Not sure when I'm gonna do it, but definitely in the to-do list. Alright, guys. Bye-bye.